So today I'm going to show you how to use the tutorial of how to use on the phone Puppet Pals Pocket. And welcome to Learning Hub. Learning Hub and Learning App Tutorials. Okay, so let's press start. So we have these characters. These are the free characters. And then you can buy director. I'm going to talk about the director's pass later and all the purchases you can get. So your child can choose the kind of characters, what characters you want. These are the free characters. The Wild West for computer, and I don't know for the iPad. So I'm just going to start out with the prince and the princess, and then we can have a dragon. So you see here, here's a little dragon tutorial. Oh yes, guys, pick 3 backdrop, and there's 3. So look at this. If you want to know this, tap this if you want to record. And if you put the dragon out of the screen, like at this point where outside of the background, then it will not show that. So that, like, if you want to save the dragon for later, like for example, let's see. If you want, what a wonderful day! What a wonderful. What's that? Then the dragon can appear later in the scene. Okay, here's another feature. Let's move our characters out of the screen while that. So we have this. You see, if you pick two or three or more, if it asks you, then they'll have these buttons where you can slide. You see those? Tap on those, or you can bring them down. And then you'll get the other background you got. So it's like, or you could do it like this. Oh, it's such a wonderful day. Should we go to the park? Oh yes. La 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 la. Look, you're in the park. Ha ha. That's a cool trick. And then if you can tap on these to choose how many backgrounds you want. Okay. And let's see, for here, you can, and then now we can talk, since I'm going to purchase the director pack. I actually am going to restore it because it's been a while. 039, it'll ask you for a code. Not that, you might not get the same code as me, but you'll get a code. So this is the Director's Pass. It's usually $2.99, but it's taking so long. The price to come out. So it's $2, practically $1.99, but that equals $2. So you can you see, one-time purchase, all content free. We get that, make your own images, make your own actors. Okay, now I'm just going to tap on my restore button. Director's Pass purchase code. Now you may download all content without additional charges. You may also use your own characters. Okay, guys. So this is the extreme part. Make sure you read this. If it doesn't say Director's Pass purchase complete or anything in excellent, that means you didn't get the Director's Pass All Access. And that also that means, yeah, for example, Director's Pass All, it should have a check mark on it, just like on the chipmunk. So you get all characters free. for one future. So let's see. Look at this. We get all of these. Get that free, that free, that free. You get Fairy Tale always free. You don't even need to pay money. Install. It'll say install. Political party, talk shows, War and Peace, zombie attack. Free. It has everything you need. Free. Oh yes, this is enjoy this free pack in celebration of Puppet Pals 2. Okay, this one will be free all the time. So all you have to do is download it if you're not going to be. So this is cool, and then you have that, and that. So everything is free. Now here's another feature. Okay, for example, if I took these and got random backgrounds and went by, it'll ask you for that. And then it goes, oh no, I will make you small. Pew! Ah! Pew! Whoa! And make myself small. After that, what happens? You can replay it. It'll ask you for that. And continue there. And here you can save it. Just type your name. And then, for example, let's do another example. You can make your own characters. For example, I don't have anything here. All I have is carpet. Hello, I'm just going to show you my face. It happens. Sometimes it will ask you for that. Don't tap. No, so if it does, just go in settings. Here's the way. If you didn't tap it, that's okay. You can go in settings, search for the app you were looking for. For examples, my app was Puppet Pals. Pocket. It'll ask you for these. It'll give you those options. Tap whatever you didn't tap microphone camera. It's okay. Then tap on those, and then you'll get it back. And let's go back to the app. Okay, guys. To make your own characters. Or wait, I can use you can use if you didn't want, for example, if you want to take a photo like this. This is the process. You take a photo, outline it, get it, and there you go. Put it inside there. And then, if you're going to be doing this, for example, this is what I've been taking. Look at this. This is the picture. Who cares? Let's just skip it. Who cares? That's private. Okay, and then you can make your own backdrops. Skip that. For example, if we want our background to be the bathroom. I'm literally in the bathroom because it's the most quietest place. And then you get your backdrop. Haha! Look at that. And then that's cool. And then and then I'm going to tell you about how Director's Pass, the futures of the Director's Pass. 9, 7. Oh, actually, after you tap saved, for example, this is how you record videos of it and then submit it to your teacher. Okay, for example, Look at that. You can download it. Add a name. I'm just adding a nonsense name. it won't. So if you tap play, it will play it for you. So it will play for you. Tap edit if you do this if you want to delete it. And then tap this if you want to export it. But that's okay. And then if you need it again, if you need to know the guidelines and you forgot them, here's a way. Go in, go to back. Sometimes it'll give you a choice to okay, let's just 272. Tap the button. So, for example, if you forgot it, tap on this button. It'll give you 219. Tap. Check out our other games too. Tap Puppet Pals. Tap Puppet Pals instructions. If you need the instruction, so they're right here. And then that is how you can do it. So if you need a reminder and you forgot. So thank you for watching. Check out my playlist of video learning app tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Bye.